Looking for ANC, high quality sound, and a great price? Check these out. What's up guys, my name is Mario and I do mobile tech accessory reviews so you don't have to. Hey guys, I got another one for you. Folks over at Naztech.com sent me over these amazing ANC headphones. They're called the Drivers. Let's check them out. Don't forget guys to stay tuned to the end to find out how you can win this guy. The ultimate music experience. I like the presentation. There's the case. Little envelope. It has a registration card and it has a manual. Okay, let's put it to the side. Let's open up the case. The zipper is very high quality and it's branded. Okay, so this one has a starter guide, charging cable. This is an auxiliary cable if you want to use it without having any power. This is the airplane adapter, and these of course are the headphones. Look how they can stow away, nice and compact. Great quality. There's faux leather, and then it has little stickers in here that shows you which is how to turn off and on the headphone and how to turn off and on the ANC. And there you have it. That's the unboxing. Everything is included with it. So if you like these headphones, guys, just go to Naztech.com. Use coupon code MMTR25 to get 25% off your purchase. Stay tuned for part 2 where we put these guys to the test and I give you my final thoughts. How do you win these? Well, like I said, as soon as we hit 1,000 followers, we're going to be able to go live, and then we'll be doing the live event, and we're going to be giving away these and the gray ones as well. So basically everything you see that I've done reviews on, I'm just giving it away to you guys, you know, because I have plenty of this stuff already. Make sure you guys share, like, and follow, share with all your friends and everything so that they can get an opportunity to maybe win a prize. And then, you know, let's grow the channel up and you know, so we can do more and more of these videos for you guys. If you use the coupon code MMTR25, you know, it helps the channel out and you guys get a big discount. No brainer. Don't forget to like and follow for more.